The opportunity to testify today on the Maritime Administration, MARAD's, role in promoting the safety and security of the U.S. flagged commercial fleet. I request that my full written testimony be submitted in the record. Secretary Chow's #1 priority is safety, and that focus extends to MARAD's programs. The maritime environment is remote, dangerous, and repetitive, which can increase the risk of accidents. MARAD plays an important role in educating and training U.S. mariners to face the challenges and hazards of living and working at sea. At MARAD, we believe a well-trained mariner is a safer mariner. MARAD educates and trains U.S. merchant mariners at the U.S. Merchant Marine Academy and supports the 6 state maritime academies and the Seafarers International Union, all which adhere to the U.S. Coast Guard and international training requirements. At the academies, deck and engineering cadets must complete training and assessments required to obtain a U.S. Coast Guard unlimited license as a third mate or third assistant engineer. These training courses and assessment take place during the Academy's 4-year curricula, which include classroom and hands-on shipboard training. U.S. Merchant Marine Academy cadets spend 1 year working and learning at sea on commercial U.S. flagged vessels. Building on knowledge from the classroom, this hands-on experience solidifies the best working and safest practices on board commercial vessels. Cadets at the state maritime academies receive most of their at-sea training aboard MARAD-provided training vessels. I'd like to thank the Congress for funding 2 new modern training ships. The National Security Multi-Mission Vessel, which is currently in procurement, will greatly enhance our training capability. Additionally, MARAD supports DoD strategic sea lift requirements through our government-owned Ready Reserve Force fleet and assured access to commercial vessels in the Maritime Security Program. As a fleet owner and operator, MARAD is committed to staying abreast of maritime industry safety and security trends, incorporating lessons learned from the real-world incidents. Security is another major concern for MARAD and the maritime industry. MARAD provides U.S. flagged vessels with timely information on security threats through interagency coordinated maritime alerts and advisories. Moreover, DOT ensures proper and accurate reporting of incidents occurring on cruise vessels by collecting the data directly from the FBI and publishing it on our department website. Safety and security regulations do not always keep pace with technology and practices. As a result, national and international industry standards often fill the gap. MARAD collaborates with the U.S. Coast Guard, the maritime industry, and technology developers to develop industry standards that guide equipment requirements and usage. MARAD is currently working with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration on a project to install automated weather stations on U.S. flagged ships to improve weather forecasting and warning and provide for greater vessel operational safety. Pairing this system with other onboard global positioning systems, GPS, may also assist in detecting GPS interference, which is a growing cybersecurity threat. The U.S. maritime workforce is a critical component of our nation's economic and national security. Recognizing this, MARAD is looking at advances in remote operations to help to reduce the risk to mariners. MARAD recently partnered with industry to demonstrate remote operations of a spill response vessel that can help minimize mariner exposure to toxic and explosive environments responding to a hazardous spill. MARAD is exploring additional applications of data-driven systems, particularly in enhancing shipboard and port operations optimization. MARAD looks forward to continued collaboration with our federal partners in the maritime industry to improve vessel safety and security. I appreciate this subcommittee's interest and support of the U.S. Merchant Marine, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have.
Thank the gentleman. Mr. Curtis.